Hi everyone, this is Jeff Schmidt with Deductions.tax and welcome to another video. If you're a small business owner and you have been affected by the most recent national emergency, and let's face it, most of us have, the federal government is stepping up big time with $2 trillion to help you out.
Holy Schmidt!
Today I'm going to cover off the most current information on the new $2 million Economic Injury Disaster Loan Program. I'll cover off what the government expects you to use it for, the loan requirements, and where to apply and how to apply so that you can get the money fast. Also, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up so that others who need help can find it on YouTube as well. YouTube uses the thumbs up as their algorithm to know that the video is a good video, and the more thumbs up the video gets, the higher it goes up in the rankings. Now let's get right into it. There are 5 small business elements to the stimulus package. The Economic Injury Disaster Loan is one of them, but I will just cover off what all 5 are just for good form. The first is the Economic Injury Disaster Loan Grant. Now this is a $10,000 grant. If you qualify, you do not have to pay this back. The next is what we're talking about here, the Economic Injury Disaster Loan, and that's a loan for up to $2 million, but it is a loan and you do need to pay the loan back. The third is the granddaddy of them all. It's the Paycheck Protection Program, and that's up to $10 million. The fourth is that the federal government has extended the tax deadline to July 15th. So you don't have to file your taxes until July 15th. And if you owe the federal government money, there's no interest or penalties on the amount that is due, even though you pushed it past the 15th of April. And a big one, which most people don't fully appreciate, is the delayed payment of the employer portion of the 2020 payroll tax. That's your portion of Medicare and Social Security, and for most employers that's 78% of the cost of payroll. Also, there's a huge package for individuals in the form of helicopter money, basically money that's just spread around out there for people to spend as needed, and these are direct payments to individuals, either $1,200 or $2,400, depending on if you're single or if you're married. And there are, of course, a lot of stipulations around this, like income, etc. And that package is covered on other videos that we have on Holy Schmidt, so I won't talk more about them right now. Now let's get into the Economic Injury Disaster Loan Program. Now this is a $350 billion loan program. It's a program where you can apply for up to $200,000 without any personal guarantees and up to $2 million with personal guarantees. It has a very favorable interest rate. If you are a for-profit business, it's 3.75%. And if you're a not-for-profit, it's 2.75%. And you can repay the loan out over 30 years if you choose to do so. And the best part, or one of the best parts, is that you have a decision within 2 to 3 weeks. But as I said before, this is a loan and it must be repaid. It's not a grant. And because it's a loan, your credit score is sometimes a factor in determining whether you get the loan or not. The loan must be used for current national emergency related expenses, and these include paid sick leave to employees, maintaining payroll, meeting increased costs to obtain materials to do business, making rent or mortgage payments, and repaying your obligations that can't be met because you have a loss in revenue. The loan is for small businesses, 1 employee to 500, 1 being a sole proprietor, i.e. you, and up to 500 employees. Anything over 500 and it falls into a different category most of the time. The program ends on the 20th of December, but apply as quickly as you can because once the funds are gone, they're gone. Now, in order to apply, you just simply go to this URL right here. I'll click on the URL so you see what it looks like. And here you can see the Economic Injury Disaster Loan and Loan Advance Program. It really isn't that hard now, is it? You just need to fill out the online application before the funding is gone. Gang, that's it. If you like what you saw, please give the video a thumbs up and also click subscribe below and click notifications so that you get notified the next time I post a video here on YouTube. Finally, before you go, click this link right here to see a video on the Economic Injury Disaster Loan Grant, up to $10,000. Click this link right here if you want to learn about the sometimes forgivable $10 million Paycheck Protection Program. This is Jeff Schmidt. Thanks for watching.